adrift, amass, antagonist, apprenticeship, aptly, arid, asperity,
axiomatic, baffle,
belligerent, brutal, capsized, come out on top, conception, confide, conflict, correspond, crude, deter,
devour,
dim, distinction, distressing,
divest,
dominate, drop out, dweller, egoism,
elemental,
enroll, faintly,
ferment,
ferocious, finality, flounder, footing, frightful,
go begging,
grope, humming, ignorant, illuminated, immortal, incapacitated, individualist,
intrinsically,
kennel, labor,
lavish, limitless,
literally, literary, maltreat, materialist, mechanical,
motionless,
narrative structure, narrator, awe,
on the spur of the moment,
opportunely, outlook, overdraw, overpower, pauper, philosophical,
piggish,
populate, procession, protagonist, refinement, ridicule,
sacredness,
scarcely, school, schooner, scorn, sow, specimen, spendthrift, stand the test of time, state of mind, sufficiency,
superfluous, tangible,
trembling,
truism,
vessel, vibrating, vigorous, vivacity, wielder,